Hey guys, this is Ben Bion. This is my channel, Urban Discomfort. Welcome. Well, today we're gonna be adding solar panels and stuff like that to charge my battery and all that stuff. So it's gonna be fun. But right now, I mean, don't get me wrong, I want to remodel and do all that, but that's gonna be later down the line when I gather all the stuff that I need. Damn flies. All right, and
Alrighty, so I'm gonna time lapse a little bit. I got wing nuts and a unit strut right here that I'm gonna paint and cut the unit strut to fit the roof. I'm gonna mount these onto the roof. Usually I would put wood underneath and rip apart the whole ceiling and put wood underneath, but I'm not doing that right now. I'm gonna try to use it as is. So I'm putting extra screws to reinforce the unit strut, and then I'm gonna put on my two panels on there, my two 24-volt panels, which are 230 watts a piece. And then I'm also gonna drill a hole through the roof right here so I can feed the wire through. And then my panels are also, since they're both 24 volts, I have to make them 48, so I series connect them, and then I put them up and I secure them with wing nuts with 3/8 nuts, and then we're good.
look what we got. New Renji. Let's see. Alright, a manual. So, the temperature and some mounting gauges. And alright, now time to rip apart the top and reorganize everything.
Alright, I'm gonna take everything down so I can clean up my workspace so I can actually work. Alright, and yes, that's my battery. It's just like any other battery that you would buy. It has BMS and 18650s inside, but this one actually has a lot of extra fuses, so just in case, if anything overheats or whatever, it'll blow the fuses. So just like any other battery that you buy, it's safe. But so I have the 220 inverters right there, or inverter, and I have 3 step downs on it, and the 3 step downs are to 110 voltage, so I can run my appliances and whatnot, like my mini fridge and everything. So from there, I have my Renogy Rover Li controller, which supports all the voltages. So for my 48 volt battery, you got to connect that one to your controller first, because you don't want to fry anything. You don't want to hook up your panels first and everything before you connect your battery. You want to connect your battery first and then your panels, and then after that, you want to connect your temperature gauge so you can see where your battery temp's at. And then you connect your panels, and my panels are also series connected, which means positive to negative, which helps me make my 48 volt panels, because they have 224 volt panels up there to make the 148 volt.
Alright, so I'm pulling power. I'm pulling about 6.3, 6.4, 6.6 amps. And 360 watts roughly, which is good. And now I just gotta hook up the load area, but I'm not worried about that because I already have my power and everything ready. Alrighty, you guys. Hey, so we're finally done with the van. Everything's installed, everything's nice, and we're actually charging, so everything's working. But like and subscribe, help me out if you want to follow and see what else is gonna be happening in this van. I can't wait for the remodel, but it'll be coming one day. Right now it's enough to get by and live and travel and do what we want, you know. It'll get us by for now. But alrighty, you guys have a good one. Bye now.